mic on?
Mic is on.
I don't know, we're gonna try to drive down the street. It's looking too good right now. Wow, that's a good idea. It's been so long taking baby girl out today.
Baby girl. Gotta give him some gas.
Oh! Didn't sound too well. So we're at the gas station right now, filling up. I haven't started this car in a really long time. Put some fresh gas in it, see what she does. Yeah, buddy, getting ready for this meet, baby. She looks low, very low.
Yeah, how'd you get over that?
I don't know, we just sent it.
Sent it, man.
The battery just died. I'm sorry about that. There you go. Perfect. I was gonna do some donuts.
Well, test it.
Nah, fuck. I can hear it already.
That was wild. Sent it.
Damn. I'm gonna lay low though, cause
PZ,
you think we can make it there?
wish us luck.
What's up?
Wish us luck, man.
Yeah, I'm just gonna park it.
This is sick.
Oh, not reverse. It wasn't reverse. Stop and then bounces back and gets stuck and then starts moving again.
Yeah, that's like my car.
I'll
You
just
just
take
can't give it that much.
I'll just take the bolt out of it.
No, don't do that, because then you're gonna tie rods.
I already did.
Yeah, but no need to send anything else to it.
already did. I already did. No, hurry up. Let's take out the pump stuff. I'm never really this pumped on something, so I really want to do donuts. So let's go.
Well, maybe well, maybe.
That's good. The car? Yeah. Go get the jumper. Yo, DANNYHEATZ, what's going on, buddy?
Get them shots.
Ooh. All right, guys, we got Justin's car over here. It died. What happened? Yeah.
Pocket. Yo.
What's up, guys? It's FLIPZCO out here.
What's up, man? No neck Justin here.
No neck. Hey,
Hi, it's PZ.
Oh, there's a group
What's
photo.
going? Yo.
Come on, get in there.
Beard gang.
Here, we have beard gang. Come
wait,
on.
hold up.
Here, you come over here.
Where?
Right there. Hold on. Not in front of me. Here. There we go. Now we got all of us.
So we are in the back lot right now. DANNYHEATZ is shooting the drift car, taking that out with the FRS, and then maybe do some skids. I don't know. Outro last night. So basically what we did was we had a closed parking lot, we took the cars out, we tested the cars out trying to see PZ's new setup. He's actually a stock FRS. I got a 1J in my car and I'm like at least 1,000 pounds lighter than his car. He still has the stock radio. He has it off the showroom lot at Toyota. Anyway, on a serious note, we do not want to promote street drifting. That's not what we're about. We are right near the shop. We're in a closed parking lot. Just don't want to promote street drifting because I don't want anybody getting hurt. I don't want anybody like taking our video and saying, oh, well, they street drift, let's street drift. We're not street drifters. We are track drifters in a way, if you want to call it. Like, we go to the track today. There's times that we take the cars out and we fool around in the parking lot just like yesterday. And yeah, we're out of tire. Just shred some tires for a little bit and just really stay cool. But other than that, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're posting as much as we possibly can, and I appreciate you guys and all the support that you have been showing us for the last couple of months. I appreciate it. Thank you again. God bless.